Hi, I'm Glenn from Secrets of Buenos Aires. In this video I will show you how to complete the mandatory form Declaración Jurada of Argentina. This form needs to be completed between 48 hours and the moment of your arrival in Argentina. You can also fill it online just moments before you arrive. Everybody needs to complete this form upon arrival, but also when you leave the country. This by air, land or sea. The form is available in Spanish and English. However, the form is partially translated in English. I will show you some examples. You have the question, what is the issuing country of your passport? The selection menu is not translated in English. For example, if you're looking for United States of America, you will not find it. This is still in Spanish. Look for Estados Unidos. Fill in your passport number, your gender, and issuing date of your passport. Read the terms and conditions and accept below. Now we are on the second page of the form. You can only complete this part as soon as you're checked in online for your flight, because we need your seat number of your flight. Select above if you're entering or leaving Argentina. Also, the way you will enter or leave the country, by air, land or sea. What is your country of origin? Also here, the translation of the drop-down menu is only in Spanish. The border crossing checkpoint is your airport of arrival. If you arrive at the International Airport of Buenos Aires or EZE, then you need to click on Aero Ezeiza. Is the airport the domestic airport of Buenos Aires, also known as AEP, then click on Aero Jorge Newbery. You cannot complete the form 48 hours or more before your date of arrival. For example, today is October 1st and you will arrive on October 10, then it will not be possible to complete the form. Click on the airline that you're traveling with. The system was not so smart to put it in alphabetical order. Fill in the flight number, and if you have a stopover, also check the correct country. At this moment, there is a mandatory 14-day self-isolation for everybody that enters the country. We don't know yet how it will be when tourism will resume in Argentina, but likely there will be some way that they ask for some information where you will stay the first days in Argentina. If you're staying in Buenos Aires city, then click on Ciudad Autónoma de BSAS. The neighborhood requests some research on Google. Find the hotel or location where you're gonna stay and select the correct neighborhood. For example, you had a flight from United States of America to Argentina, but you have the direct connection to El Calafate. Then click at Stopover, Argentina, and fill in the address, and province Santa Cruz, for example. We're almost there. As mentioned before, you only can complete this form as soon as you have your seat number of your flight. Let's move on. Select your nationality, type in your document number, your name and surname, date of birth, email and a phone number. However, at this moment it's not possible to fill in an international number. Only Argentine mobile numbers are possible. We're almost at the end. Select if you currently have any symptoms. Select yes or no if you had any contact the last 14 days with a COVID-19 positive person. Below you select if you want to do any activity within 14 days of your arrival in Argentina, for example for a business trip. If so, you need to provide a medical declaration that you don't have any symptoms and maybe also a recent COVID-19 test. Print this form out and keep it with you as soon as you arrive in the country. You can also keep it digital, but I prefer that you take it on paper, it's much easier. And yeah, now I only can wish you a pleasant stay in Argentina. Ciao!